ride when we hit the stage, annihilating anybody when we out of the cage, violating perpetrators, regulating with ease, light a fire on the mic. Slick City, Slick City, Slick City. Yeah, yo. Slick City, Slick City.
You're listening to HoodRadioOnline.com, where we play all the local hits on the streets. Send us your music to HoodRadioChirac@gmail.com.
Don't test my range, rearrange your frame. Everybody start to ride when we hit the stage, annihilating anybody when we out of the cage, violating perpetrators, regulating with ease, light a fire on the mic by 100 degrees. Ain't no sweet 16s anywhere on the team. Domination on the scene, we the rugged regime. Always in the lead, y'all follow. Seas in the air, no wallow. Spitting in the booth, y'all swallow. Straight hard to the core, y'all high low. My city got next, my city don't rest. No pity, just flex, all hard, no vest. Midwest be the best, better say it with your chest. Yeah, I bang with the east and I bang with the west. Outside be live, no side I ride. No side my pride, real lies don't lie. I lay my life right on these lines. You ain't your life with fake ass rhymes. Talk like you hard, but you ain't about shit. Say you about that, but you ain't about this. Running your mouth like you got 4 lips. I'ma use my fists, I don't need no clips.
They told me in the hood that we live a thug life. I'm trying to stay good, I ain't fucking up right. Ain't got no damn lyrics, so we talking guns fight. I guess he ain't know who my cousins was, right? Right. Things ain't going how I planned them. Now let me show you how I smash them. My left right game sick, how I pack them. Hit them with an aim and I start some scandals. But the motherfucking hit is gonna hurt you so bad, it's gonna turn you that booster sandals. Try it, like it, bite it, fight it. Got the squad beside it. And don't get us excited, cause we might just start a riot. But I told them what I wanted just to kill it. Every instant that I get it, I'm committed, I'm a villain. I got lyrics, they get gimmicks, they ain't nothing but some bitches. I'm showing what the business is. Yeah, they speaking death, well I'm deadly with mine. It ain't no biggie, but I'm like Biggie, cause I'm ready to die.
Lame niggas ain't faggots, you weak niggas like maggots. But I bet when I pull a pistol out, you gon' jump around like a rabbit. I'm on top of game and you sitting. You niggas think you be spitting, can't get it right and it be your written. Put me on the mic, I'm mentally shitting, hitting everything just passing. Coke, we let me have it, but I can't forget them yappers. When I pop them, I be at it. While you out with your bankroll, I'm in route with your main hoe. Key 20, don't give a fuck, you can ask your broad, I'm a a-hole. Damn right, I'm bout it, put a bit of missile out of my pocket. All my gang banger niggas won't stop until you leaking out of your noggin. Make a nigga reach around and just pop it. Nigga, I'm a beast when it's about profit. Take it to the streets with beat the heat rockin'. Nigga, don't sleep on key cause I'm knocking.
You're listening to HoodRadioOnline.com, where we play all the local hits on the streets. Send us your music to HoodRadioChirac@gmail.com.
You ain't talking to me. Nah. Oh no no no.
No. I know you ain't talking to me. I'm styling on them. Just look at the shoes on my feet. Can't shine like this. Yeah, they cost a couple of G's. Ain't on my level, so you can't be talking to me. Oh no. I know you ain't talking to me. You a small town nigga. If you ain't been moving the peas, ain't talking money, then you can't be talking to me. I'm there for, but you know the name of my team. Look me in the eye when you talking to me. My weed and my bitches, they from overseas. I hop on the beat with a new melody. Got your bitch soaking wet cause she loving the way that I sing. Oh no. Do we have a problem? But my niggas stick up, double A-O. He said that he gon' drop 'em. Getting to the money, gotta get that dough, cause that's the only option. Moving this work, but we chase that dream, gotta turn that into profit. Let's go. I can't go broke, I'ma die rich and I put that on my soul. That's your bitch, but she on my dick, bro, can't trust no hoe. That's all I know, you know, ripping that AFO. Holding it down for Chicago, that's all for one. Can't touch my squad, oh no. No. I know you ain't talking to me. I'm styling on them. Just look at the shoes on my feet. Can't shine like this. Yeah, they cost a couple of G's. Ain't on my level, so you can't be talking to me. Oh no, no, no. I know you ain't talking to me. You ain't talking to me. No, no, no. If you ain't been moving the beat. No, no, no. And you can't be talking to me. Oh, no, no. But you know the nigga on the team.
Yeah, is you talking to me? Excuse me, is you talking to me? Don't even start talking to me. If you ain't talking money, ain't talking Benjis. If it ain't Remy, then pass me the Henny. All of my niggas, they drilling with semis. Serve a nigga like we working at Denny's. Back in my bullshit, call a nigga Benny. What? And we getting all kind of dough. Getting that money, money, money. So your bitch not be down like a diamond, no. Darling, mommy, darling. All she say is Poppy Diamond, low. Diamond, low, diamond, low. And then she ride it dick like a bicycle. Little mama, let go. Back to the bank, bro. You ain't talking about dough, nigga, no combo. Yeah, I'm going all in, reppin' AFO. Mama, knock that pussy out, TKO. Always on the grind, more money on my mind. If you try to take mine, then you John Doe. Balls on deck, and you know we'll blow. You don't want no smoke, oh, no, no, no.
No, 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 no. I know you ain't talking to me. I'm styling down. Just look at the shoes on my feet. Can't shine like this. Yeah, they cost a couple of G's. Ain't on my level, so you can't be talking to me.
Still up 300, nigga. I'm still 600. Rest all the guys. Rest me, old nigga. Rest me, big blow, nigga. Gang, gang, nigga.
You're listening to HoodRadioOnline.com.
Gang in this bitch, nigga. I got all my motherfucking jury on. You can try to flash like your bitch ass want it. You don't want these bullets flying like some karma. You a motherfucking fall, Lil' Kermit. I'm a glow man, I don't need a garment. And I'm hotter than a fucking furnace. Take a Tuka blunt, then I burned it. And I spend this money, cause I earned it. That bitch call me on the phone, she ain't want shit. Told that bitch don't call my phone with all that nonsense. I'm getting to the guap, bitch, I be guap, bitch. To that guap, baby. Smoking on this blunt, this shit stunk it. This shit stank, baby. I mean skunk it. Gang, baby. I'm rolling with the funk it. Gang, baby. Cops pull me over, they don't want shit. Name, baby. They just wanna say they lock me up. Sosa, cause they know I got a lot of bucks. She Sosa, but I'm bonding right out. I ain't broke. Niggas ain't getting no money, it ain't a joke. It ain't a joke, bitch. You better get some money for your mama or your hoe, bitch. Boy, your ass better not be broke, bitch. I spent 4 bands on a coat, on a Montclair. I spent the fucking band on some loafs, on some God shit. I spent 100 on my Air Force Ones, on my ones, yeah. To stump a nigga in these Air Force Ones, Air Force Ones, yeah. I don't need a jet, I want Air Force One, Air Force One. Yeah. I'm a fucking president in the sun, like Obama. Yeah. Sold a bitch for 5,000 and left her one. I left her one, yeah. And threw that fucking shit in the strip club. In the strip club, yeah. Niggas flexing. This ain't what they want. I up this pump and fill a nigga up. They bitch ass up. Riding down my block. No, this ain't what they want. What they want? We up these pistols, hit a nigga up. I got all my motherfucking jury on. You can try to flash like your bitch ass want it. You don't want these bullets flying like some karma. You a motherfucking fall, Lil' Kermit. I'm a glow man, I don't need a garment. And I'm hotter than a fucking furnace. Take a Tuka blunt, then I burned it. And I spend this money, cause I earned it. Now you feel it. Hey. Smoking dope like a chimney. Tag on my hip, that mean it is feeling me. It's feeling Keith. These niggas ain't no kin to me, no friend of me. Hell no. These niggas fucking enemies. Bite. Hey, the beat go off? Hey. I up it, then my heat go off? Bite. I heard he do that sneaky talk. Hey. I heard he was a sneaky dog. I up his fucking fold, then I speak it, dog. Me, I take naps and you a sleepy dog. Catch your ass in the back, shoot up your fifi, dog. 223 and set your neck. Breathing, dog. Nigga don't even sneeze, I get the squeezing dog. My little bitch a vet, she said she need a dog. She know I get them checks and I don't speak at all. Some bitches bully me and Justin Bieber, y'all. I'm in the kitchen cooking Justin Bieber, y'all. I ain't got no them shades, I'm still not seeing y'all. Little bitch, I'm glow, I don't wanna be with y'all. White Air Force Ones, cause that's how I'm feeling, y'all. I'm from Chirac where they be killing y'all. All these fuck niggas and they feelings hard. I'm laughing to the bank like ha 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 ha. And I got my claw, all this big click like pow, 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 pow. I got all my motherfucking jury on. You can try to flash like your bitch ass want it. You don't want these bullets flying like some karma. You a motherfucking fall, Lil' Kermit. I'm a glow man, I don't need a garment. And I'm hotter than a fucking furnace. Take her to the blunt, then I burned it. And I finished
my niggas love the skies. My niggas love the skies. Check a bag, my niggas poppin' tags. Pop a flat, spaz out, then I blast. My niggas love the skies. My niggas love the skies. My niggas love this cash. Know if the what, bitch, we better have that cash, All my niggas checking bags. Up day and night trying to get this cash. If a nigga in my way, I'm gonna blast and take his cash. I'm all about my cash. That's some fuckboys on my ass. I'm riding real fast, pressing on the gas. I'm switching lanes, so you know I'm about to spaz. I pop a molly, pop a flat, bout to blast. All my niggas love this cash. All my niggas love this cash. Check a bag, my niggas poppin' tags. Pop a flat, spaz out, and I blast. My niggas love this cash. My niggas love this cash. Check a bag, my niggas poppin' tags. Pop a flat, spaz out, and I blast. My niggas love this cash. My niggas love this cash.
Check a bag, my niggas getting cash. Pop some Zans, don't know what happened. All I know is I heard that 4-5 blast. Then I felt the car take off really fast. Yeah, you know, I got hella bands. MOB put my squad on the map. We believe. Got my city on my back, and I got a bad bitch in my lap. Little chick beast, yeah, I'm the man. Disrespect the team and get whacked. Leave a fuckboy slump when I up that thumper. EPDK, free my nigga youngster.
Check a bag, my niggas poppin' tags. Pop a flat, spaz out, and I blast.
Let's get it.
My niggas love this cash. My niggas love this.
Shout out Slim Jesus, man. You know we rockin' with you, shorty. I like gang shit, man. Real gang shit, man. And that squad shit. Don't forget that squad shit, bitch. Chirac, man. When niggas really do this shit, man. Ain't no play, nigga. You will meet your date, dumbass.
Drill time.
It's drill time, make a meal time. Hustle hard, stay on the grind. Skeezy gang till a nigga die. In the field, shooting in the shot. Hit his top, leave a fatty out. Fatty wop, I got a lot of guap. I'm insane, so fuck the ops. All my glizzy got hella mops. Dread hair look like a mouse.
30 on them, watch it soda pop. Then shoot to the soda pop. Where hella drop, count $1 million knots. Bankroll, I'm fresh, nigga. King Yella, I'm next, nigga. Clout me up, I'm the best, nigga. Your favorite rapper is a fuck, nigga. Preparation had me make the force. In the field, never play no sports. Bad bitch, ass like a horse. Killer beat, I don't need